Beyond people, beyond news, beyond splendor, beyond history, beyond dreams, beyond sea.
Sir Benji. Hello, Sir Benji. Welcome to Beyond the Sea.
Good naman. Mga ganun.
Kamusta po ang mga exhibit?
Okay naman that time from morning hanggang sa ngayon. Ngayon lang medyo mawala. Kanina talagang marami rin nag-inquire. Especially ang mga our product PPEs. Ang product kasi namin about of PPEs using for the marine and our spill. And then their PPEs. And then the signage for the IMO for the marine products.
Sir, what do you do for Top Rigid? Are you one of the sales managers?
Yes, I'm the one account manager of Top Rigid.
Okay. Sir, maybe we can show our viewers po muna. We can look at them and tell them po kung ano po ang mga products ng Top Rigid.
Product ng Top Rigid is meron tayong mga helmet and then mga outdoor PPEs, then mga spectacles, and then about the goggles and the eye protection, and then the respirator, ear protection, and this is the gloves or kind of gloves we have. And then yes, mga safety rubber boots.
Sir Benji, basically ito po yung mga ginagamit ng sino po? Mga engineers or sino pong mga tao specifically sa loob ng barko?
Yun mga engineer and then the other mga workers, especially the utilities. Yes. And the other usage for the maintenance and especially the electrical and mechanical kinds.
May drum po tayo ng oil spill dito. Ano po ba yung isa po sa mga purpose po ng company? Why? Is it to prevent or when there is oil spill, what does your company do?
Using for that is for the spill, and when the big spill, using for the drum to for the processing for pang-dispose ng mga spill na kailangan, especially yung mga others chemical and the oil, especially the oil bunker. Itong kagamitan nila for pang-dispose sa mga spill na area doon sa mga hazard.
So sir, for every spillage po, meron po bang particular na ginagamit or parang pare-pareho lang po sa lahat ng mga spills yung mga materials na ginagamit?
Yeah. They have so many. They have for oil, chemical, and the general purpose. Yes.
Pakita po natin, sir.
This is for the using for oil only.
Sorry again.
Yeah, this is for oil only.
Okay.
Oil. And then the green one is for the chemicals.
Ano po ang difference, sir? Bakit ito pahaba?
Ay, ito po yung tawag na sack. Pang paikot ho doon sa may area para hindi kumalat. Ito kasi is pang absorb lang, lalo na pagka marami.
What other products do you have here po, sir, na helpful po for everybody's information?
Especially the other gloves. We have the gloves for oil chemical. You see the green area, that side. And then the helmet. Especially the safety shoes for the chemical and oil. Yes.
Para yung iwas dulas po, tama? And then also, of course, very durable yung mga ano nyo po, yung mga gloves.
Yun yung product ho namin ng Ocean. Ito yung bagong product namin. Yung kahit ma-oilan siya, malakas, maganda yung gripping. Yung sa gripping especially. Lalo na ngayon. And then meron tayong yung towel na cold towel. Kahit mainit siya, pagka ilagay mo dun sa ulo mo, cold. Cold air siya. Yes, yeah. No. Kung di ba mainit yung panahon ngayon, iano mo lang sa italok mo siya, lalamig kasi. Or tricolor. Yeah.
Cooling towel. Wow, that's it. So maraming salamat po, Sir Benji. Maybe you have something to say to all our viewers out there para po sa tungkol sa company nyo, sa products nyo.
Yeah, thank you for interviewing for me about our products, and especially thank you for this convention event. The Marine Philippines. Okay. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, and we hope to see you again in the future. Kung meron pong iba pang exhibits na ganito, sasali pa po ba kayo ulit?
Yeah, sure. Especially our company is still serving about the PPE safety. Thank you.